Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to open a new crypto wallet, a crypto exchange wallet, a new crypto exchange which is called ONUX or ONUX, that is your ONUX exchange. So let's get started. Let me show you how to download, install, and register on it. It's a new crypto exchange to buy crypto, sell crypto, and trade on crypto. It's a good new app. So let's get started. So for what you need to do for Android user is you go to your Play Store. For iPhone user, you go to your App Store. So now we go to our Play Store to go and download it, install and register. After your Play Store, click on your search button here and search for ONUX. 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 You see ONUX here. You can see ONUX exchange. Just click on ONUX. Then this is it here. Click on install. Then you wait for it to install. We're going to see it now as a new way to buy Bitcoin, trade Bitcoin. It's a good new exchange for crypto. So let's get started. We're going to see how to download and install it very soon now. Then we're going to have another good nice crypto exchange. Okay, it's almost installed, so let's wait for it to install finish. Then we'll be able to do it very fast. Yeah, it's almost installed finish. So gotta wait a little more for it. Let's wait for a little more. Okay, I think it's starting installing here. You can see it's still installing here. So let's wait a little bit to install. We're gonna open it and say yeah, it's almost installed. So let's wait a little. Okay, I think it's done. So let me open it for you to see how it looks like. I'll install. Yes, I think this is how the apps will look like. Okay, so guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.